Hello and welcome to CodeCraft, ABAP and TDD, a unique platform dedicated to mastering the art of software craftsmanship in the realm of ABAP programming. I'm Matt, with years of experience in ABAP development, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this learning journey. Here at CodeCraft, ABAP and TDD, we aim to build a community passionate about elevating their ABAP skills, grounded in the principles of test-driven development and robust software design. Our goals are ambitious, yet achievable. First, we delve into the world of test-driven development, TDD. It's more than a technique, it's a mindset. We'll learn how TDD shapes the way we write and think about code, ensuring quality and reducing bugs from the get-go. Next, we tackle the art of refactoring, transforming code into something more efficient and maintainable while keeping its functionality intact. But there's more. We're not just focusing on new code. A significant part of our journey involves approaching legacy code, the kind that's been around for years, perhaps not as clean or efficient as we'd like. We'll explore strategies to safely and systematically improve it. Testing is another cornerstone. From unit tests that scrutinize individual components to integration tests that ensure different parts work harmoniously. And finally, to end-to-end tests that simulate real-world user scenarios. We cover it all, providing you with a comprehensive testing toolkit. But where do we write all this code? Setting up a development environment is crucial, and we'll guide you through configuring an optimal setup for ABAP development and TDD. We believe in learning by doing, so expect hands-on tutorials, real-world examples, and best practices that you can apply immediately in your work. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn ABAP, a seasoned developer looking to adopt TDD, or anywhere in between, CodeCraft, ABAP and TDD is here for you. Subscribe, join our community, and embark on this transformative journey. Together, we will craft high-quality, robust software solutions. Stay tuned for our in-depth tutorials, discussions, and tips. Thank you for joining me today, and welcome to the exciting world of CodeCraft, ABAP, and TDD.